Alright guys, as you can tell from my first video, I'm not doing this typically for the videos.
No one else had this information out there when I searched it.
Everyone just did the upper, which is
easy as crap.
So this is for the people that are trying to look for that answer to solve the lower. So the old one's removed. I've already cleaned out down there in the hole. There's not a whole lot of room here, but I've already removed the upper cover and everything because I was just doing the timing belt and thermostat when mine decided
to break.
And it actually broke the plastic piece that's on the lower. So this new one, it's all metal, so this actual adapter piece here on the end with the green O-ring, that's all metal too. On the factory one of mine, it was a metal lower piece, but it's plastic on the flange where it adapted to the upper. So that plastic piece broke along with that just when I was wiping it off. Like I said, this car's got about 240,000 hard miles on it, and it's actually done really well, and this isn't too bad. So the trick to getting this one back in, I just have a 3/8 extension here. I got a 19, what do you want to call it, 12 tooth, and basically that slips right over it, because you can see it's pretty thin, so you don't want to damage that. Try to do this one-handed, and basically I can slide it right into that 19 like that, and I have more surface area, so I'm not going to damage it when I go to install it. I went ahead and put a little bit of oil on the knurling on the side that's going to the block just to hopefully ease going in, and I'm just gonna take my hammer and tap it into place until this like the factory one, until this bottom flange here, oop, big finger right there, till that meets flush with the block. Alright guys, best of luck and enjoy your Volkswagens. Later.